What should you eat if you want six-pack abs or a flat stomach? There isn't a secret for this. There isn't one single food that I could tell you, yes, this will give you a flat stomach or this will give you six-pack abs. A couple things to consider if this is your goal. You want to either lose body fat or lose weight or gain muscle in order to see those muscles or to have a flat stomach. You have to think of your total calories for your day and the protein that you're eating. You want to make sure that you're eating nutrient-dense meals that can sustain your workouts and your lifestyle. There isn't one specific food, diet, trend, or pill that will change your body one day to the next. The way for you to see results is to consistently change your habits and to eat foods that make sense for your lifestyle. Having these things in place where you can do them long term will ensure that you get the results you want, whether that's a six-pack or a flat stomach.